Hey everybody, it's Dale, Pennsylvania. Just in the start of our snowstorm. I thought I'd let you watch for a few minutes. I'm going to get back away from the window though because it's cold. But it's putting her down pretty good. Roads are covered already. I'm all ready for it though. Got all my food that I need. I got my flashlights all charged, my battery bank's all charged. Got enough cigars for 3 or 4 days, and I'm ready to stay in and stay warm. If the power goes out, I have a gas heater here that heats the house without electricity, so I'm in good shape. So I'll let you watch for a little bit longer. It's piling up pretty fast, but I wanted to get this out before it gets dark because it's about almost going on 4 o'clock now. So watch for a couple minutes, then I'll shut you down. Okay, folks, probably had enough of that, huh? I forgot to mention it's 12/16/2020, Central Pennsylvania. They're talking about up to 2 feet of snow. We'll see what happens. So, you guys all take care, and we'll talk to you later. Deal, out.